Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically delete temp files every hour. No third-party apps needed. Let me show you exactly how to set it up in under 2 minutes. So to auto-delete temp files, we are going to write the script in Notepad and then we automate that, okay? So to get started, I'm going to open the Notepad by clicking on the search. Then I'll click on the Notepad. So I'm going to copy the script we are going to use to auto-delete the temp, okay? I'll paste it in the Notepad. So I'll be leaving the script at the description, okay? So now we are going to save this script as a batch file. So to do that, I'm going to click on the file and then save as. So I'm going to leave the name clean temp.bat, okay? And then at the save as type, I'm going to click on the down arrow and then I'll click on all files. So I'm going to leave the default location, which is the desktop, okay? And then I'll click on save. So I'm going to close the notepad. So this is the batch file we just created, okay? So to automate that, you're going to use task scheduler. So to open the task scheduler, I'm going to click on the search, then I'll click on task scheduler. So now we are going to create a task, okay? So I'm going to click on create basic task. And then I'm going to name my task clean temp files instantly, okay? You can choose to leave a description, okay? And then I'll click on next. I'm going to leave the default trigger on daily, then I'll click on next. Then I'm going to change the time to 1:30, okay? But you can change the time to what suits you, okay? Then I'll click on next. So at the action, I'm going to leave the default, start a program, then I'll click on next. So now we are going to point to where we have the batch file, okay? The clean temp. So I'm going to click on the browse, and then I'm going to scroll down, then I'll select the clean temp, okay? Then I'll click on open. Then I'll click on next. So this is a summary of what we just did, okay? So to automate that, to run every 1 hour, we are going to right click on the clean temp and then we click on properties. So at the properties, we are going to click on the triggers. So at the triggers, we are going to click on edit, okay? And at the advanced settings, we are going to check the repeat task every 1 hour. For a duration of, we'll click on the down arrow and then we select indefinite. And then we click on OK and then OK, okay? So that is it. So this task is going to run every 1 hour to clean your temporary files automatically, okay? So to make your task run instantly, you can right click on the clean temp and then you click on run, okay? So the task is running. Otherwise, you can click on the clean temp and then you click on run, okay, at the right pane beneath the selected items, okay? So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.